comment about the excuse that a lot of the push down was tax-related selling, when if the market in Bitcoin is 2/3, probably in Asia, and I'd like you to elaborate on that, because it seems to me that is what we're talking about here. Why would that be U.S. tax selling that actually had been knocking it down?
Yeah, so there's a couple different parts of it. I think U.S. tax selling certainly had a piece of it. Tom Lee estimated at about $25 billion. That's a pretty big number. That would mean we'd have to take about $500 billion off the market. But then again, remember, we did have a parabolic run. People are going to take some off. We also had Mt. Gox was selling a couple $1 billion worth of it. So we had some things, and we had transactions come down. So you had, 3 or 4 different things happen. I think tax selling was probably the fuel on top of it. I do think there is some validity to it, though.
All right, Beeks, we're going to let you go. Great to check in with you.
I'm a virtual currency.
So it is important to understand why this market has taken such a dip, and the two main ideas was there was obviously a mass liquidation of Bitcoin and the assets from Mt. Gox, which means the market was kind of flooded with cryptocurrencies because the trustee who basically was awarded or had control of all this crypto needed cash in order to pay out the people that were damaged, and that obviously causes the price to come down. So it could be also the tax liability, where a bunch of people that have had large gains and have been reporting their gains, have to sell some of their assets to pay off the tax liability. So hopefully we've hit the clear waters, right? That the price shouldn't stay this low anymore, and hopefully we'll recover and head back to the all-time high was 850 billion. My price prediction, if you've been following this channel, has been $1 trillion by the end of the year. And I still think that's going to happen, but I wouldn't get too confident or too cocky right now, because I do still feel like there are ways for it to continue to go down. I don't think it will be a down market much longer, but I wouldn't be surprised if we have another month possibly of a bear market. But as long as you're weathering the storm and you are holding, and as you know, if you hold for over a year in the US, you pay a lot less taxes. So if you're the kind of person that is okay with holding for over a year, I think this is a good position to buy into, and you're in a great position as long as you continue to dollar cost average, whether it goes up or down, you're going to be making money. And I think it's a way better way to spend your money than putting your money into, for example, Coachella tickets. Yeah, Coachella was not cheap, guys. I spent a lot of money, unfortunately. I made a deal, though. I don't know if you saw one of my previous videos, but I was able to resell my wristband for a profit, being the crypto trader I am. And now all the money I'm saving by not being at Coachella and buying overpriced water and overpriced food. Well, the water's not overpriced, but the drinks are. I'm going to be investing it in crypto. I'm hopefully going to continue to buy this dip. If it doesn't go down again and it keeps going up, I've bought enough during the dip where I'm pretty happy to kind of just now ride it to the moon. And like I said, I will be taking profits off if Bitcoin crosses 15,000. I think that's where I'll start to take a little bit of profit, and even if I have to pay a little capital gains tax at a higher rate, just I've put in a lot of money, and I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back down again. So I'm not selling my Ethereum until it hits 1,000, and I'm not selling my Bitcoin until it hits 1,500. And like I said, I'm still going to be holding it till it hits 2,500. But it's always good to take a little profit out. But let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And I will be throwing up Coachella videos just for the fun of it. I went Friday, and if it all works out, I might be coming back Sunday. But in reality, I should be just staying at home and saving money and investing it in cryptocurrency so I can buy a Lambo and roll to Coachella in a Lambo. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not into fancy cars, so that's a joke. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.